The 1965 Mercer Cobra Roadster is a unique and captivating sports car concept that seamlessly blends vintage design elements with modern aesthetics. Commissioned by the Copper Development Association to showcase the practical uses of copper and brass in automobile design, the Mercer Cobra was brought to life by renowned designer Virgil Exner and his son, Virgil Jr. The idea for the Mercer Cobra originated in 1963 when Esquire magazine commissioned Exner to create renderings of modernized classic cars. Among the designs was a revival of the Mercer, a brand known for its generous use of brass and copper. The Copper Development Association, impressed by the rendering, decided to build the car to highlight the versatility and elegance of copper and its alloys. The Mercer Cobra is built on a modified Shelby Cobra 289 chassis with a stretched wheelbase of 108 inches and an overall length of 182 inches. The bodywork, crafted by Italian coach builder Sabona Bassano, features a blend of vintage and contemporary design elements. The car is powered by a Ford 289 cubic inch V8 engine with a special two-carburetor Shelby kit. One of the most striking aspects of the Mercer Cobra is its extensive use of copper and brass. The radiator shell, exhaust guards, wheels, and various interior and exterior trim pieces are all crafted from these materials. Even the disc brakes are made of copper, leveraging its superior thermal conductivity to reduce brake fading. The use of copper alloys not only adds a distinctive flair, but also expands the stylist's palette, offering a range of colors from warm reddish orange to silvers. The exterior design of the Mercer Cobra is both bold and elegant. The extended brass radiator shell and the horizontal flare of the rear fenders pay homage to the original Mercer while incorporating modern touches. The headlights, recessed behind brass-trimmed discs, are electrically controlled to pivot out of the body. The taillights are recessed into scooped-out sections of the rear fenders and framed in brass concaves, enhancing their effectiveness. Inside, the Mercer Cobra continues the theme of copper and brass. The instrument panel is trimmed with copper beading, and the leather seats are framed by integral copper shells. The racing-type steering wheel is made of high-strength chromium copper alloy with continuous black plastic rims ridged with lustrous copper rivets. The overall color scheme is intense black, boldly offset by copper and chrome, creating a masculine and dramatic interior. The Mercer Cobra also addresses practical concerns, such as the need to design tool life into body parts while changing the car's appearance annually. The wheel covers, for example, feature swirls of roll-formed spokes that can be varied in color, configuration, and number without changing the basic tooling. The Mercer Cobra Roadster is a testament to the creativity and innovation of Virgil Exner and the versatility of copper and brass in automotive design. It stands as a unique blend of vintage elegance and modern aesthetics, showcasing the practical and stylish uses of these materials. The car is not only a stunning example of forward-looking automotive design, but also a demonstration of the imaginative and innovative applications of copper and brass.